TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world, and it presents an alternative to online sharing. Users can shoot, edit and share 15-second videos, mess around with them using filters, music, animation and special effects. You can also collaborate on content whilst being in a different location and create duet videos. Just like other social media apps, you can follow, like and comment on everything you see. It's about making social media fun, and with over 1 billion users, TikTok is definitely an app to be on. And due to its simplistic user interface, it's able to stand out from other apps as anyone can upload content. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Business with Joe channel, as every week we'll give you tips and hints on how to make money. Before we get into how to make money on TikTok, it's worth looking at who's using the platform, as it might not fit into the demographics you want to aim for. 41% of its users are within the 16 to 24 age bracket. Additionally, 60% of the world users are under 30 years. Older people seem oblivious about TikTok and what it is all about. But marketeers are using the platform to target this youth market. TikTok is in 155 countries and in 75 languages. About 25% of TikTok downloads are from India. Additionally, India also commands more than 40% of new users. And maybe surprisingly to those who haven't used or even heard of it, TikTok is ranked 9th in the number of users, ahead of more popular Twitter, Snapchat and Pinterest. So with this in mind, how can you make money on TikTok? TikTok is just like every other social media platform out there. If you're well known on the platform, brands will notice and reach out to you for partnerships in promotion. Just like on YouTube or Instagram, if you're getting tons of likes on each post and regular comments on your videos, then brands are more likely to take a keen interest in you. Even better is if you're targeting your posts to the age range brands see as major viewers on TikTok. For example, if you're well known by the average male TikTok between 16 and 20 years old, then you'll be more attractive to brands that sell products to that age group. This is one of the best ways to make money on TikTok. In fact, some famous TikTok influencers can earn between 50k and 150k for a successful brand partnership. It's a simple fact that if you have a following the brand wants to target, then you'll be in demand. When an influencer marketing campaign is successful, influencers don't even need to do much again. They can just use the brand's product in a video and talk naturally about the brand. However, be warned, people don't like to be sold to, and your viewers will be upset and question your genuineness. This could lead to you losing a lot of your followers. You also need to remember that the regulations about influencer marketing also apply to TikTok accounts. It's always necessary to make it known when you are being paid to make a promotional post. Merchandising is another excellent way for influencers and creators to make money on TikTok. You can simply design your e-commerce shop and sell your merchandise to your audience. However, it is about growing a good e-commerce platform that you can use on TikTok as an additional place to sell your merchandise. You can sell products on Shopify or Etsy or any other e-commerce platform. Again, think about the audience that use TikTok. It's probably not a good idea to sell pensions on here, but maybe bracelets, t-shirts and a place to promote your band would also work. The very first step to selling your product is to build a following by engaging with them and making them feel special. You also need to remember, however, that your followers don't visit TikTok to see advertisements. So it's essential to make your promotional videos as attractive as possible, though this is much easier to achieve in some niches than others. Donations. Your audience can donate coins, a virtual currency that everyone within the app can purchase. The coins purchased can subsequently be given to the influencer during a live stream. A TikTok user can easily live stream and communicate directly by chatting and interacting with thousands of their users. If you want to live stream, you'll need at least 1,000 followers. In the US, the smallest package of coins is priced at 99 cents for 100 coins. Once the live stream has come to an end and you've accumulated enough of these coins, you can collect 50% of them and trade in for real cash and then withdraw the corresponding dollar account. Another way to earn money on TikTok is via events and brand partnership. This can be achieved when companies and brands invite you as a special guest to participate in music festivals, events or conferences. Although the earnings depend on the different factors like activities requested by the brand before, during and after the event, The brand could either pay you direct or just pay for expenses like flights and hotels. Cross-promotion on other social media networks. If you're already an influencer on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube or Twitter, you can leverage your fame on TikTok to promote other ventures. That way, you'll get to make full use of your viewers and also increase the number of shares and likes on your other work. This gives you tons of opportunities for cross-promotion. For instance, you can build an audience for potential live stream by sharing it on all your other social networks. Likewise, you can create a highlights video on TikTok and later upload it for your YouTube channel. The average person uses 3 social media applications, and often one of these will be TikTok. When you cross-promote your TikTok activities and merchandise on other social media networks, you'll get to expand your overall audience, and this will affect your potential spending market. Here are some tips to help you cross-promote. Use the same name across all social media platforms. Ensure you update regularly across all platforms. Engage with your audience. Always upload valuable and exclusive and new content on social media networks. And mention the social media platforms you are across. Another way to make money on TikTok is to grow accounts and sell them. Just as on Instagram, you'll have to select a niche, then create great content to grow your target audience. You'll need to grow the TikTok account around a specific interest. It's typically a niche topic. Once established on TikTok, you can reach out to brands in that niche and sell your TikTok account to them. This is one of the legit ways that people make money on TikTok. The good news for brands is that once they purchase the TikTok account, it becomes easier to sell their products from there. So if you love to TikTok and you want to grow a dedicated following around a specific topic, you can go for it and then get in touch with brands that will love to access your followers and sell the account to them. Another way to make money on TikTok is with TikTok ads. Just like Instagram and Facebook, you can sign up for TikTok ads to access their ads platform. If you've ever run paid for ads before, then this process will be self-explanatory. You'll need a product to sell and a budget that won't break the bank. But when you consider the growth of TikTok and the potential, then spending a little to grow and sell doesn't seem that mad. The final option on how to make money on TikTok is consulting. It applies to TikTok professionals and those who can help brands to get thousands of views on their videos. It's a good way to leverage your skills that you have learned over time on TikTok and help people who want to either be famous or creators on TikTok. When you work as a consultant, you'll help to boost their strategy and also increase their visibility of their videos. You'll need to have a substantial experience and knowledge of this before you can offer it as a service. But once you have this, people will pay to have your experience and brain on their account. Just like we always say on Business with Joe, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both. If you're hardworking, creative, and don't expect instant success, and you follow the things discussed in these videos, then hopefully you can make money on TikTok. However, if you try shortcuts like buying fake followers, you'll be found out, so please don't. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.